Today we got the Redragon Kumara K552. This is going to be Redragon's entry-level mechanical keyboard option. Right now it's on Amazon for $45. It's got full backlighting, multimedia keys. It's got a gold-plated USB, and it's got a Windows lock. It's not a whole lot else going on here, but it's $45. In the box, there's a key remover, some instructions, and a verification key. Nothing, This is what we want to see. So underneath, it's got pop-up lifts. I'm gonna go and leave it lifted up because I find it a lot more comfortable this way. Just because of the way my hands are, I guess I have really big hands. Anyways, so it's got the WASD keys with arrows on them, and the accompanying arrow keys also have WASD on there. Can't really see it in the dark. So, because they're not really, they're not backlit, just the primary part are. So these are arrows are backlit. Anyways, so I mean the only really issue I have with it, you can kind of see under these keys, but this is my first mechanical keyboard, so I don't know if that's normal or not. I assume it is. 'Cause it looks like this is, it's pretty well constructed. It's kind of a gap in between these caps lock and scroll lock lights over here. There's no number pad, as you may be able to tell, and that's probably gonna be our first con to it. Second con is, as with any mechanical keyboard, it's really loud. The con maybe is the cord isn't super duper long. It's maybe 4 foot, 5 foot, and you might need it to be longer. You never know. Sorry, this is so shaky. I don't have a camera, I have a phone. So like I said, it's got a Windows lock for the Windows key. Not a whole lot going on here. Simple, straightforward keyboard. The switches are similar to the MX Cherry Greens. So these are going to be, the newest, kind of stiffest switches. See if I can show you how much play there is in the switches here. And they're all pretty consistent. I found all the keys are really good. The space bar is nice. It's not uneven. It's wherever you're gonna hit it, it's gonna work the same. And I really appreciate that. The enter key isn't as big as I would like, but not a huge deal. Backspace key is, I wouldn't mind it being a little bit longer, but just because of the constraints of the keyboard. It works for me. It's a really good layout. Switches are nice. There's not a whole lot to say here. It's going to be the cheapest, most entry-level mechanical keyboard you can find. And if, you want something that's backlit, this is definitely the best that you're going to find for $45. Because that was my big thing. I wanted a backlit keyboard that was mechanical, and, really, those end up being really expensive. It also has a breathing option. If you're into that, I'm not. I'm going to turn that shit off. And you can turn the lights off. So, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop below. Give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks, bye.